It's no longer news that YouTube is removing channels that are using AI for everything in their Faceless channels. So in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to use your own voice and make your AI images to talk. That is, to be talking with your real voice and in different languages. That is, if you are speaking Hausa, Yoruba, Igbo, French, any language of your choice, this AI can speak it just like this one right here.
School yesterday, so black bage naba kita.
And also, it will give you long form videos, not just these short ones that we have been getting. Trust me, it's the only video that will show you exactly this. And this is a gift from me to you because I just hit 30,000 subscribers and I'm super grateful to you all for hitting on the subscribe button. And if you are yet to subscribe, just click on the subscribe button below. Trust me, it is completely free to subscribe and learn everything right here. So without talking so much, let me show you exactly how to use your own voice in your own video so they don't demonetize your channel and you will make money as well from YouTube. Alright, let's dive into it. Are you excited? Of course you can see I am. Let's go. This video will be in 4 parts and it will be very simple and short so you can be able to understand and comprehend very easily. So let's start with the first part of getting your AI images, the clean ones that are safe from copyright. Let's go.
Alright, if you want to make your AI image to talk using your voice or your own image, first thing is to go to ChatGPT. Here we are getting our prompt and image. Hey bestie, I want you to give me a prompt of a student. She should be very beautiful, sitting in a school desk. Her classmates should be seen, anywhere around her, maybe beside her, behind her would be better. Alright, so of course their faces should be little blurred, but everywhere should be clean, popping, and a bit of white so that the image will be very beautiful. So you can go into much details, but for this video I just want a short beautiful something. Alright, so this is the prompt right here. I'll go ahead to copy. Once I copy, it's already copied. I will click on these 2 lines right here and click on images. This is the ChatGPT new feature, alright, that generates clean images. I'll paste my prompt and send. Of course, as you can see here, if you scroll down, there are so many things ChatGPT already recorded simply because it already understands my style. Without telling ChatGPT, it knows that this is a YouTube video, right? Yeah, because I'm a YouTuber, so this is 16:9. I'll talk about ChatGPT and other chat box in my next video. So let's generate the image that we are here for. Wow, as you can see, this young lady is very beautiful. This AI image looks beautiful, right? I don't know what to think about this image. Let me just click on save. Right, wow, rate this image for me, please. Rate it for me. Let me know how good you think this is, the everything. So now we have gotten our image.
So now let's head over to the second part, which is getting your own real voice. Let me show you how you can get your own real voice so you can be able to add it to your AI image just like mine. Let's go.
For this video I'll be using mine. Okay, so simply head over to your phone. Of course we all have recorders, voice recorders, but if you do not have, do not worry. Simply go to Play Store or App Store, download any voice recorder right there, or check your phone properly. I have to check my phone very well to see this because most times when you don't use some certain apps, you won't even know that they are here or they are in your phone. Alright, so just check. So now click on your recorder right here. You see a lot of the ones you have done. So simply click on this red icon right here and it will start reading and you'll be seeing it as it reads. So I will go ahead to cancel this one. 1, 2, go. Let me record mine. Hi, my name is Success. I'm a secondary school student. I love to read and I love to write because education is the key to success. So I want to be successful and I must go to school. See you soon. Bye. So once you are done, you still click on the red icon and it will stop. If you want to continue, you can click on it, but for me, I'll simply click on save. Look at save at the top right here. So I will save it to make my image talk with my voice. So with this right here, I'll go ahead and click on save. It's saving right now and it's already saved. As you can see, make my image talk with my own voice. Now we have gotten our AI image and our voice set.
So now we have gotten our voice. Let's convert it into MP3 so you can easily use it for your AI videos. It's very simple and very easy. Let's do this.
The next step is to make your voice MP3. To do that, go to your browser right here and go to search, type audio converter, right? You see different options right here. That is okay, but simply choose the first one. Even if it's not the first one, just search free convert. Let me zoom so you can see it clearly. Free convert. All right, so click on it. This is very easy. Click on choose file. It will bring out so many options from device, from Dropbox, from Google. Just simply choose from device, the first one, from device. You'll see from camera, video, photos. Simply click on photos and videos. Now mine is already here in audio, but if you are seeing video right here where there is audio or photos, simply click on these three lines. This is it at the top left. You see different options, recent image, blah blah blah. So put it to audio if yours is not already on audio. All right, now click on this week. For mine, once I click on this week in the audio section, it will show me the exact one that I made this week. All right, so yours can be a little bit different, but just using this knowledge so that you can be able to find your own. And make sure to name your voice. Once you are done, name it so that once you come here, you can be able to see the name that you gave it and then pick it and convert it very easily. So make my image talk. That is it. I'll simply click on it and it's already imported. And the next thing is to click on convert. Please, this is a free software, and as supposed, adverts will be playing. Simply ignore the adverts and convert your audio. All right, so this is it right here. You don't need to close this software or anything, just leave it. It will just generate, and as you can see, done. You download it and it's already downloading, right? They say you can see the notification even if you close it, but you don't need to close it. Just stay here, get what you want, open it, and it is done. I don't need to play the audio. We'll do that much more later in this video. All right, so we have gotten our image, our voice, and converted our voice.
So now this is the final part, and I already know you are excited. Let's head into the fourth part, which is the final one. Let's bring everything together, your AI image and your human voice. Let's put it together and lip sync.
Are you ready?
I'm sure. Let's jump right in.
So now this is the part where this video gets much more interesting. Let's make our video to talk. That is, let's make our AI generated to talk using our own voice. Are you ready for this? Let's do this. So first thing you need to do is to hit your browser, and then here in your browser you type WANAI. All right, you give space WANAI. All right, so right here you scroll down a little bit. This is it right here, WANAI. You click on it and open up. This is the interface right here, and of course it looks amazing. So all you need to do is to come down to the bottom right here where you have three options: the video, the image, and the head-like button. Right, click on the head-like button, which will open up as avatar. All right, and then here you have your project, what you have done before, but yours will be very much empty. All right, so this is how to come into this software. Now let's start creating. So all you need to do is to click on this head-like structure right here, then or click on this head-like button right here, then click on character, click on upload from device, then bring in the image of the person that you want to animate. All right, you want to make talk. Click on audio, upload from device. Do not select the camera, video, or the recorder. Simply click on photo and videos, and then just like I mentioned earlier, click on this week or whatever that is similar, and then bring in the voice that you want to do. All right, if your voice is more than 15 seconds, simply allow it to trim and then confirm. Once it confirms, it will come in here. So you can see the audio is here and the image that we generated, the AI image, has already been imported. generated. Ignore this once. This is the interface because I already made so many things. I already generated so many AI videos, all right? But yours should be blank, and that is absolutely fine, all right? So once you are done, you click on this 0 generate right here. Click on it and your video will start generating, all right? It will tell you that you have 0. And let me give you this secret tip. If you come into this app every day, into this software every day, they'll be giving you 10 credits, all right? So you can even become, even when you are not ready to generate, so that when you are ready, you have enough credits. But if not, you will still be able to generate your images, all right? As you can see, this is the one I generated. And do you want to see the one that you created now? Are you sure? All right, let me show you the one that we generated so you can rate it from 1 to 10. How good is one.video? So rate one.video here. Let me show you the video so you can rate it. Hi, my name is Success. I'm a secondary school student. I love to read and I love to write because education is the key to success. So I want to be successful and I must go to success. Abụ m onye Igbo and ana m asụ Igbo ọfụma. Amara m na mmara mma nke ukwuu and abụ m nwa akwụkwọ. Ama m ka Igbo mmadụ biko rate ya from 1 to 10. Kedu ka Igbo mmadụ na AI ya anụ nwanne ekwu okwu.
You now you know how to create and make your AI image to talk just like you, and as well use your own voice. And of course, I know you love to see me in my next video, so hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be able to see my next video once it drops. I will see you soon. I am Success and I wish you success. Bye.